How to use the DeMarker trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the DeMarker strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the DeMarker indicator, developed by trader Thomas DeMark. The DeMarker indicator helps identify whether an asset is overbought or oversold, allowing traders to spot potential pivot points in the market. DeMarker is based on the comparison of the maximum and minimum prices of the asset for a certain period. It ranges from 0 to 100, with the 30 and 70 levels serving as key decision-making zones. How to set up the DeMarker indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 14 for more accurate signals on shorter time intervals. Open an up trade when the DeMarker line crosses the 30 level from below. Open a down trade when the DeMarker line crosses the 70 level from above. For increased accuracy, combine DeMarker with other indicators like RSI or moving average. You can learn more about the RSI and moving average indicators in these videos. Try now. Follow the link in the description.